Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaibigan. Itong ating salita sa araw na ito, September 14. Ang ebanghelyo natin ngayon ay John 3:13 to 17. Sabi ni Jesus, "No one has ever gone up to heaven except the one who came from heaven, the Son of Man. As Moses lifted up the serpent in the desert, so must the Son of Man be lifted up, so that whoever believes in him may have eternal life." Lifted up means the cross. And lifted not only because nakatayo ang krus, but lifted because pain lift you up at hindi pull you down. Build you up and not break you down. Mayroon si Jesus isang bagong pananaw sa pain sa buhay ng tao. At nakita niya kung gaano ka-effective ito to redeem the world. Kaya sabi niya, God so loved the world. I will give you my life, and my life will save the world. And that's up, not down. Mahalaga na matuto din tayo na hindi lahat ay blessing, hindi lahat ay healing, hindi lahat ay pera, hindi lahat ay mabigyan ang ating kahilingan. Hindi lahat ay ganon. There are other part of life that we need to learn to embrace. There are problems, may conflicts, may sakit, may karukaan, may pagsubok. And we have to learn that in everything, God works. In everything, tayo ay tinaas ng Panginoon, hindi binagsak. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, please pass it on. Punuin natin ang good news ang social media. Gawin natin viral, araw-araw ang salita ng Diyos. God bless.